So in this video, we will talk about the virtual machine or VM. VM is made up for several core components and virtual hardware like a virtual CPU, memory storage, and network adapter. A virtual disk that stores the operating system and files, and a hypervisor, which is a software that creates and manages the VM. Virtual machines run just like our real computers but share the same physical hardware. In a business setting, virtualization is extremely useful because it allows multiple servers or systems to run in one physical machine. This helps save money on hardware, reduces power costs, improves system backup and recovery, and also it makes it easier to test new software without risking the main system. For example, a business could run separate virtual machines for a web server, a file server, and a database server, all in single physical server, making the environment more efficient and easier to manage. Hi everyone, in this video we're going to quickly explain the difference between the server role and the server feature and how to know which ones your server needs. So first, what is a server role? A server role is the main job that the server performs. Think of a server primary purpose. For example, if a server manages user logs in, it takes the Active Directory domain services role. If it shares files, it uses the file and storage. Server's role, if it hosts website, it takes the web server IIS role. The roles, what the server is mainly built to do. So that is the server role. So next we will discuss what is a server feature. So a server feature is an additional tool that supports the role or improves the server's functionality. Features don't define the main purpose of the server. It simply add extra capabilities. Example, net framework, group policy management, failover clustering, and features, optional add-ons that help roles to work better. And how do you know which roles and features features you need? You choose based on what the server must do in your network. Identify the server purpose. For example, will it manage users' share files or host a website? And the roles is that match the purpose. Add feature if only if they support the role or solve specific need. For example, a domain controller needs a DDS plus DNS. A file server may need SMB features for sharing and quotas. A server may need net and security features. In short, roles define the main job. Features extra tools to support that job. And that's how it works. Wherein server roles define what the server does and feature helps to do it better. So that's it. So in this video, we're going to talk about the primary purpose of Active Directory and how it helps manage users and resources in a domain. So Active Directory or AD is basically the system that organizes and controls everything in a company's network. Its main purpose is to manage users, computers, and resources all in one place. With AD, you can create user accounts, control who can access it, and apply security settings across the entire domain. It makes things simple, and because you only manage everything once, and the change apply to every device connected to Domain. For example, the common task you can do to Active Directory is creating a new user account. You just enter the name, set a password, and assign the user to groups. When it's done, the user can log in to any computer in the domain and automatically have the right permissions. And that's it. The Active Directory keeps your network organized, secure, and easy to manage.